What's up people, another video with Merlin Beauty. Welcome if you are new to join. So let me just speak briefly in French. Pour d'autres qui suivent ma chaîne, si vous voulez comprendre, souscrire en gros ce que je suis en train de dire, il y a un bouton sur le paramètre et vous pouvez en gros avoir la traduction en français de ce que je suis en train de dire. Briefly, guys, I will just explain to people that, you know, I get that demand a lot, like, how come I don't speak English? How come I'm not speaking French? Sorry, and I can't really do videos like French so much because it's gonna be too much for me to do. One day I'll do one, you know, it's gonna be fun. But today, the video of today, yes, a bit of shopping of everything. Yeah, we're getting ready for summertime. Yeah, and today is really hot. And if you live in London, whoa. So I went to do some nice shopping actually in Wilko, Saver and Primark. Yeah, so found some interesting stuff. So first I'm gonna start with Wilko. Right now they're doing some crazy sale, crazy sale, and somehow I really wanted like a lot of t-shirts, you know, like a slogan, or you know, I like colors, especially me. I don't like to wear something very monochrome. Yeah. So anyway, so we have first this item. Yeah, nice t-shirt from Wilko. Actually was on sale, yeah, and I bought it £5. Yeah, so it's really great. I just like this broderie details, you know, and the stripe. So yeah, moving on, we also have another t-shirt from Wilko as well, and you see I love stripe a lot, but I like this green detail. So, and it said c'est comme ci, c'est comme ça, so it just reminds me of my French side. And we also have this amazing jumpsuit. If I show you the length, I mean it's not long actually, it's like a culotte, is that how they call it? Yeah, so yeah, and I really like this V detail, so definitely you might see me wearing them if you follow my social media. Yeah, so, and this one was £10. Yeah, the other t-shirt I showed you earlier was £4. Yeah, now I went to Primark. I don't know, somehow become an addicted of short, you know. I don't know, but it's just, you know, if you have nice asset, why not show it up? So yeah, let's put it that way. So I got this short actually for £2.50, I think. Yeah, Primark. You know, there are different colors. Yeah, so but I prefer black because it goes with everything. So we also have this t-shirt as well. I like this color, very bright, very shiny and everything, you know, of Havana, Cuba. Oh yes, I also got like two, I mean I'll say like a shirt, but it's like, you know, a top, you know. So we have this one which I like, the blue, you know, jeans, like you can wear like almost every day, and I like this detail, you know, around the waist there. And I also got this same color in how do you call this, amber maybe, it's not really pink but peach maybe I'll say. So the same, and this one now is £9 when I checked yesterday. So amazing stuff guys for summer, getting ready, getting, you know, the spirit of the sun, you know, you want to wear amazingly, beautifully and all that. And I forgot to say that this item actually was from Wilko. This short, it was £9. No, I'm not gonna wear it. But yeah, And I want to also say, well, if you haven't, trust me, they do a lot of stuff for skincare, I mean home stuff, hair and all that, and I found them cheaper, you know, compared to Wilko. I mean, depending what you want to buy, even perfume as well. If you check one of the videos about Christmas shopping with my blogger Annalie, yeah. So we have this amazing clay mask, which I'll do a review soon, from L'Oreal, which was very cheap and affordable. I think it was less than £5, yeah. We also have this charcoal peel off. I say that's a challenge for me. I'm gonna try charcoal now, so you're gonna see soon, you know, the reviews. Check it out on my channel. This one as well. How much was it? Definitely I know those stuff are less than £5, yeah. And we also have this amazing foot pad. I don't know why, just an addicted. So this one actually really triggered me, which I can't wait to try it, you know. Charcoal, this one and this one as well, on argan oil, yeah. And finally the list, you know, I haven't really finished doing some shopping home since I'm moving to a new place, but I love bedding set. I love colors. I love to try to change few things, you know. And this amazing bedding, actually I'm just going to show you my pillowcase, but I'm just going to show you the display of it. So basically this color is just wow. When I saw it in Primark actually, so the bedding set for double was £11, which was worth it because I usually go to Wilko, but Wilko sell a double bedding set for £14 and this is £11. So you compare the price, which one is really worth it. But they don't have all the set. This is the thing about Primark bedding, they don't have everything, every range, and I really wish they could have more colors, you know, because for a good bargain really you can really buy stuff, but they don't have, like, you know, the variety of colors compared to Wilko, who have, you know, a different set, like from, you know, from black and white, from brown, or, you know, like cream. They also have like red, all kind of red, or pink, or blue, green and pink. So it's, you know, it's really good. Well, I'll say, yeah, it's true, both of them, they're good quality, but this color really attracted me because I don't have a green color, that's true, and because I love everything that is nature, you know, and I say it's very original, and because it's also a green and gray colors. So yeah guys, so I think we finished our shopping haul. So you know guys, go and shop around and if you like, you know, what you've seen, well, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media, and see you next time.